Well, hello there, YouTube family. I'm the Home Bartender with Ann. You probably already knew that. If you didn't, welcome to the channel. I found today's cocktail on Bon Appetit or Epicurious, but it's actually a cocktail from the Nightcap cocktail book by Cara Newman. It's called Going Out West, and I'm going to try it for you now. Oh, amazing. I have a friend who's in her 20s, and when I first tried this cocktail, because I have had it before, I was like, wow, this has her written all over it. It uses rye, mezcal, Averna Amaro, and bitters, and she loves all that kind of spicy, deep woodsy, kind of like, I don't know, old man type drinks, one might say, but this is not an old man type drink. It's first very sweet, second spicy, which lingers a bit, but then it's got a slight hint of smoke. It's really full of flavor. It's got a hint of leather as well, but not really like smoky leather or a cigar. It's smooth, it's a little boozy, and I did say that it's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. It's just like super, really balanced cocktail, spectacular. You gotta try this. Let's go over the ingredients together coming up next. All right, I'm gonna start with my bitters, and that's 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. We're building this in a mixing glass today. And then we have a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Next, a 1/2 ounce of Averna Amaro. I really like the Averna Amaro. It's spicy, slightly spicy, and it really brings a lot to this cocktail. After that, 1/2 ounce of Mezcal. I used Vita in most of my Mezcal drinks. I'm sure I've already mentioned that before, but it mixes so well. It's smoky, but not too much for me. It's a great place to start if you're looking to get into Mezcal. Then we have 1 ounce of rye. You can use whatever rye you want to. I really do like this Rittenhouse rye best for this cocktail. So that's it as far as the ingredients. Let's get some ice in there and stir it up. They say that you should do this stirring for 30 revolutions. I kind of look for my ice to look a little glossy, and the outside of my glass to be frosted. Let's get it into our glass. And then we're gonna garnish this with an orange peel. And I think that actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna express this over the top a little bit and then just get it into the glass. There we have Going Out West. What can I say? It is an excellent, spectacular cocktail. It's a comforting sipper. It's just perfect for the winter months, or even as we head towards the spring, it's gonna be great. I would be super happy getting this in a restaurant. That is exactly why I wanted to share it with you today, because I hope that you really make it and you share it with others, because it is that good. I promise you won't regret it, and your friends are going to be super impressed if you make it. So thanks for spending your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. That's it for me for now. I'll see you next week. I'm really excited for that because I have a really yummy one for you then. So see you next week. Be well.